Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Shopify store. First, you'll want to choose a memorable store name and secure your domain. Next, pick a theme that reflects your brand and customize it to your liking. Then, add your initial products, ensuring high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Finally, configure your payment methods and shipping rates, which typically takes only a few minutes to complete, setting the foundation for your online business. Once your store is set up, managing your products is key. Group similar items into collections, making it simple for customers to find what they need. Keep a close eye on your inventory to avoid stockouts or overselling, especially for popular items. Utilize product variants for options like different sizes or colors, which streamlines your listings. Remember to optimize descriptions with relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility, helping more people discover your offerings. To attract customers, effective marketing is essential. Start by implementing search engine optimization, or SEO, to help your store rank higher in search results. Build an email list and send engaging newsletters to keep customers informed and returning. Offer discount codes and run promotions, like a 20% off sale, to incentivize purchases. Also, integrate your Shopify store with social media platforms to reach a wider audience and drive traffic directly to your products. After making sales, fulfilling orders promptly is crucial for customer satisfaction. Process each order carefully, print shipping labels directly from Shopify, and provide tracking information. Regularly monitor your store's performance using the built-in analytics dashboard. Pay attention to key metrics like conversion rates and average order value. This data, often updated in real time, will help you understand customer behavior and make informed decisions to grow your business effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.